Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing an intermediate samba practice routine. First we're going to learn it with counts and then we are going to apply some arms to it and then we'll do it with music.
Yeah, stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay, oh my. Yeah, talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl.
Alrighty, so we are going to start with our left foot to the side and we are going to do a batafogo. Cross side replace, cross side replace. We're going to go into a circular volta, crossing the left foot in front, cross and cross and cross and cross. We are going to go into a whisk to the right, into a whisk to the left. Then we are going to have a whisk with a ronde. And then again, we're going to have a whisk with a ronde, but we will have a little bit of a funky timing here. And then we're going to go into a box, forward, side, back, back, side, forward, forward, side, back, back, side, forward. We're going to take that left foot forward and we're going to tap, tap. We're going to do a bachata back. Bachata, bachata. We're going to do tap back, tap forward, and now we're going to step back with that left foot. Ronde the right foot out to the side, cross, replace side. We're going to hold and ball change. Now with counts. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, up 2, 3, up 4, 5, up 6, up 7, up 8. 1, up 2, 3, up 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and up 1, up 2, 3, up 4, 5, up 6, 7, up 8, up 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, hold 7, up 8. Now time to add arms. We're going to start with our arms open to the side, and we're going to go in, open, in, open. Keep them in 7 and 8. We're going to whisk with the right arm open, whisk with the left. Now we're going to keep the left, switch to the right, and now opening up that right arm so we can go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. On the tap, we're going to go down. Now we're going to keep them down. Bachata, bachata, tap, tap. On the ronde, open with the right. And now we're going to go down, hold, and then arms back in, open, in, open. Alrighty, now we are going to put those steps with the arms, with the counts. Up, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, up 2, 3, up 4, 5, up 6, up 7, up 8. 1, up 2, 3, up 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and up 1, up 2, 3, up 4, 5, up 6, 7, up 8, up 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Alrighty guys, we are going to do it 4 times in a row, slow, and 4 times in a row, normal. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.